Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Databricks job clusters for faster iteration cycles. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your Databricks workspace. Navigate to the Clusters section from the sidebar menu. Locate the cluster you want to update in the list. Click on the name of the cluster to open its configuration page. Here, review the current settings, including the cluster size and auto-scaling options. To optimize for faster iterations, consider increasing the number of workers. Adjust the worker type to a more powerful instance if necessary. Enable auto-scaling to allow the cluster to dynamically adjust based on the workload. Set the minimum idle instances to a low number to ensure resources are available quickly. For enhanced performance, enable the spot instances option to reduce costs during low usage. Next, scroll down to the Advanced Options section. Here, you may configure the instance types for both the driver and worker nodes. Choose an instance type suited for your workload, such as memory optimized or compute optimized options. After making your adjustments, click the Confirm button to save the changes. You may need to restart the cluster for the changes to take effect. Observe the cluster's performance after updating and adjust as necessary. Regularly review your cluster settings to ensure optimal performance for your projects. That's how you update Databricks job clusters for faster iteration cycles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.